Kutaisi, Opel Vectra disassembly and other car shops on the left. You can buy a lot of parts here. And now I'm walking to motorcycle shop, which is located somewhere on the edge of the city. 11 minutes left. I'm walking on the highway and looking at the car disassembly. Great place. The name of the street is First Street. And also you can check the road to Tbilisi and other cities. Another disassembly on the right. They are disassembling right on the street. Looks quite unusual. I'm a budget traveler, I'm just walking. 3 kilometers for me is not a problem. Today is Sunday. I hope the motorcycle shop is still open, because I really need to know the prices and the models of motorcycles, because next time when I arrive to Kutaisi again, I'm planning to buy my own transportation. Rusty. Opel Omega 2.0. Do you like walking with me on the highway? Enjoying the views on the left and on the right. There is another disassembly on the left and on the right at the same time. Let me check where we are now. I lost my location. 4 minutes left, 300 meters. Opel is the cheapest car in Georgia, the most affordable car. You can buy it even for $2,000, $1.5 thousand. Then you can repair it in any repair shop, which you can see on the right side of the road. And on the left, repair shop, disassembly shops are everywhere. Plus, they have windows, plastic windows. If you decide to build your own house someday. This is a real Kutaisi. This is not touristic place, by the way. I'm not filming center of the city. I'm filming end of the city. Where is my motorcycle shop? There is also car parts, car oil. I think that's it for you to know. Because I'll go faster. Bye bye now.